I'm building a tiny teardrop camper from scratch, the Wandertears Vaga. The goal is to get this rig ready for our family adventures in 2026. Me and Alex are going to look at the switches today, and what I think I want to do, we'll have to see which side the switches is up. I'm going to have it so it'll fold out like this, and then this blue line is the full-time power, and I'll be able to solder this right to here across both of these terminals, and then I'll be able to fold this over and attach this right to the wall. So to do that, I gotta cut a little slot out right in here for this to fit into. And if I look at the side of this, there's enough room for that to go down and then for these terminals to even clear. Now Alex is going to do the other switch, get the square drawn out for where the hole needs to be. But first we're going to make sure that our continuity is right and our up side of the switch is up.
So this is down.
So that's off?
Yeah, it's off.
Yeah, that should be good. All right, we got everything marked out. A little box in here to cut out. Alex has got his side cut out too, or marked out. Gonna use the oscillating cutter. That should fit nicely. And yellow is underlight, which will be this side, and white is the porch light, that'll be this side. We got our switches soldered up. The next thing we have to do for inside of here is hook up our lamps to right here. Don't burn me!
I'm not gonna burn you.
Again.
I didn't burn you.
Alright, we got everything soldered up. Both sides, switches in. So next is just to test that our stuff works. So, we got the good old battery charger plugged into the input wires, the one was with the blue. That runs through this whole thing, and then we're going to see, look directly in the light, Alex, right?
No.
We're going to see if this light turns on. Go ahead and flick the switch. Hey, our light works. And then the underlighting. So is my voltmeter inside of there?
No.
Oh, here it is. Voltmeter. And the other one comes out from this yellow wire here. So we'll just hook this up to here. And then we'll hook this up to the ground. I'll put this here so we don't have everything in the way. And then we'll have Alex turn on the switch. Go for it, Alex. And we've got 12 volts on this wire, so our switch looks good. Now this is already on. I think this is the same wire. Does this light turn on?
This one?
Yeah. Let's see if that one turns on. All right. All right, now for the other side, got this light here. I'm gonna flick the switch. Looks good. And then the inside lights. Very nice. All right, so then we'll just get these screwed in and we'll be good to go. Look at this side. And aligned. And then we'll tighten back. Cool.